What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. Pretty excited about it. I don't know what's in here, but I'm pretty sure it's from the pass-around group that I'm involved with, which means whatever it is came from the manufacturer originally. Anyways, without making too big of a fuss about that, let's go ahead and get into it. Make a cut right there, and I guess just sort of wrench this open. Yeah, looks to be some more packaging in there, some packaging, more packaging, and there's a knife in here. Bestech, all right, we like Bestech. Actually, I've only handled one or two Bestechs in my life, but they've both been great, so I'm excited to see what's in this pouch here. Ooh, okay, so this is my first more premium Bestech, absolutely. That is beautiful. Man, look at the milling. I knew in the back of my mind that Bestech had a premium line and then like sort of a, I don't want to say not premium, just like a less expensive, more of a budget line. And I think that's popular with a lot of Chinese brands these days. Oh, that action. Bestech is clearly doing the same thing, and I had forgotten about that. M390, I was expecting to see S35VN. Look at the milling on this titanium. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Awesome backspacer, really cool pocket clip. Man, oh, nice and smooth. The action is amazing. Nice forward choil there. This is going to be a fun review, absolutely. If you already have this knife, or you don't have this knife, I would say definitely stay tuned. Watch my channel or watch for alerts for the review on this one, because this is going to be really cool. I am excited. Some trash just fell off the table there. That was the sound that you were hearing. Man, let's get another close up there so you guys can see that pivot. Little cutout. There's even some micro milling in the scallop there for your hand, for your finger, or for your hand. Man, I think just giving you guys this type of close up is good, so you can really see, you know, what we're working with here. I should do this more often because I know people like to see way up close. Get a look at that blade. The finish on the blade is nice. It's sort of a semi-reflective black wash. Nice fuller in there. Man, really cool. I wonder if I can do the reverse flick on that. Yep, you absolutely can. Can I get my thumb in there and do this? Kind of. Better reverse flick, definitely. And amazing flipper. Holy moly. Just about a free dropper. Really cool. So that is a beautiful knife, and I cannot wait to do the review on that one. That's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short little unboxing. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel. By the way, in my most recent video, I said, don't worry, this Hinder Ramble is not going to replace my daily upload of a full-on knife review. Today got crazy busy, so there will not be an additional knife review today. So it'll just be the unboxing and that Hinder Ramble. If you'd like to go check out that Hinder Ramble, it's the video I upload just right before this one. But that's going to be it for today, just those two today. And then we'll go back to our regular schedule tomorrow. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.